Hey, it's Becca from the Saunders Pack, and today we're gonna let our dogs see beach balls for the first time. Okay, let's blow these up. See if I run out of air before they're blown up. Lindsay. Okay, stay. Now let's go outside. Sierra. Stormy bed. Stormy bed. Bed. Yes. Stella. Stormy sit. Stormy sit. Yes. Stella. Scrappy. Scrappy go. Stormy. All right, let's do this. Wait. Wait. Hey, wait. Ready? Get it. Get it. Oh, he's biting it. That one's gonna pop soon. You want me to throw it? Oh, these things are not gonna last. Good thing they were only 50 cents. Okay, we got one deflated, I think. Look at this. Sierra brought me the tennis ball. Get it. Ready? I knew they would destroy them, but I didn't think they would destroy them that fast.
Our dogs love trying new things.
Scrappy, do you want me to throw that? Are we done? Is it not exciting anymore? Well. He's done.
Looks like it.
Okay, well, that ended as quickly as it began. It was worth the $1 we paid for them. For sure. Guess that's it for today. Pretty short one. If you want to play with beach balls with your dog, looks like they had fun. It'll last all of 2 seconds. So don't buy anything expensive.